Project for today, I'm going to build a stand table for the Anvil. Currently it's on the bench here, it's up too high. It takes a lot of shoulder contortion in order to get a strike. So I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to lower it down so that the top of the anvil is where my arm naturally reaches the 90 degrees so that the hammer face is flush with more or less the ground. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build the table with these 2x10s. I'm going to layer them one on top of the other and have it stand vertically upright. I'm going to cut them to 65 centimeters each, drill 4 holes through it, and then shove this tie rod through it. My board's cut. Next thing is drill the holes for the studs. So I marked them out. I just went 15 centimeters up, 5 centimeters in. That's enough distance to keep everything secured and not cracking, not some crazy stress load. I want to concentrate bolts towards the top and towards the bottom as much as possible, not really in the middle. It'll be cold. And then I'll drill the first one. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the first one and then I'll use that first one as a pilot hole to drill every subsequent one after that individually. That way they all line up. It's hot in here. So fuck me. And my little thermometer that decided to fucking fall apart on me. It's humid as shit, but I got a dehumidifier running at 65% humidity. 34 degrees Celsius. This piece of shit. This is fucking definitely worse than made in China. Let's see. It doesn't say. It's not made in China because they would fucking advertise it. I'm going to take some plates, put them underneath the bolts. I'm going to make little brackets. It'll act as a washer, but it'll also act as a tie strap. I'll angle it up 60 degrees or so, have a hole in it so that I can tie things to it. Lock it up. Here's her on the ground. First thing I notice, it's a little wobbly. She's got some high corners here and here. The top's not quite level as well. It's pretty darn close though, my goodness. But if I come to this side, I can actually see, right here's a high spot. And that's because I wasn't exact with my cuts. Sand it down, it'll be fine. Put the anvil on top. I could just lag bolt it down here if I wanted to. I don't know if I want to. I may just do those straps, right? I think I need a little bit more stability at the bottom, so maybe there's a way I can mount it to this, like that, just so that it's wider. Maybe this way, probably this way. Give me a little clip thing too. Actually, yeah, that's good. I might do that. I don't have the hardware for it, but I might do that. I could just use some fucking deck screws for now. If I got them laying around, I'm sure I do. I'll even that out. I'll get that screwed in, and then we'll get the anvil put onto it. All in all, it's not too heavy, so it can still be pretty mobile. The idea is I store it inside the shed, and when I want to use it, I can just bring it outside and use it out there. Okay, our bottom's fixed. There's our stand. It's solid. She doesn't wobble. I think that's just the floor. She doesn't wobble, but she does wobble. There we go. Look how solid that is. Put our anvil on it like that. Once we get it outside off of this flooring, I think she'll steady right on up. Yeah, I like that. Good height. So I can hold things. I can hold things perfect right here. And I can hit with the fucking 90 degrees right about my waist height. So I don't have to be too low. I don't have to be too high. At the same time, I can come in and do some light work. But I don't have to bend over too far to get close and see. But I have enough room up to get a good whack. That way, my strikes are true. Beautiful. I love it. That was a simple task. Yeah. This is good. I don't know if I want flat on top. Now, time to figure out what exactly I want to do to secure the anvil to the top. If I do, I should. I know I want to. It's just a matter of what do I want to do, right? Do I want to just take a chain and bolt it, one here and one on the other side? Actually, maybe. Right. Maybe. Maybe those little brackets will come in handy. You can use some tension on the rods, pull them down straight. Huh. All right, cool. I dig it. That was an easy project. Let's figure out what we want to do next.